that your new toy? That's gonna pop sooner or later.
Start getting off with
Uh-oh.
it. Uh-oh.
He's getting rough. Testing it out.
Close your ears.
He popped it.
Oh,
It wasn't that bad. At least he's not scared of it.
No, we've got another one.
That was kind of funny though, because you just kind of scare him.
Hey Kobe,
He's not eating it, is he?
you want another balloon?